What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back on the monster, the beast, the Ninja H2. You guys have been requesting to take this beautiful machine out, so that's exactly what I'm doing. Today should be a little fun. I'm taking the H2 to a high school meet, I guess. It's not really like a high school, like straight up high school meet, but it's a meet that's actually like legal and they have permission to be there. And pretty much just a lot of high schoolers are usually there. It's a younger crowd for whatever reason. Gonna take the H2 there, meeting up with a couple of my friends, and yeah, your daily dose of content, you know. Wow, it's like really packed. Let me get in this lane. Well, good thing I decided to take the bike and not the car, even though I don't like using the H2 for this type of stuff, splitting lanes, especially at night. As I told you guys, every time I ride the damn H2, there's traffic. This time we're riding at 10 at night and there's still traffic. Dumbass car. Oh, I think this lane is like closed or some shit. Everyone's merging. I'm just gonna go that way. And now my helmet is like hella fucking up. Yep, I think looks like construction. Want to see a rev bomb there, but sometimes cops hide around in this gas station or like in these corners right here. We're not trying to get pulled over before we get to the meet like that one time. See, I told you guys, high schoolers. I think I came in pretty late. It's pretty dead in here. Whoa.
No, there's an orange one.
I mean, yeah, it's kind of cool.
It's okay. It's ambulance.
Okay, it's not after me, right?
You're like,
Yeah, I'm like, is it me?
see? Ambulance. I know the sound. I'm in medical field. No. Oh, yeah, you are.
Are you K or whatever?
Yeah.
K or whatever.
What's up, man?
Damn, man. That's
What's up, bro?
whatever.
There we go. That's not bad.
Very nice.
Whew.
How's that?
You just got to the meet?
Yeah.
Thank you. No problem, my friend and I always talk about literally this right here.
Damn, that's sick, bro.
Bro, what? I've done 110 in my car.
No, that's fucking nuts. That's crazy.
They're not gonna come out. And they're coming out with. Yeah, and they're gonna bring out the midnight protest.
What?
If I lived here.
Pretty dead, not that many people, but took the H2 out. Hopefully there's no traffic on the way back. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna make another video of just riding, chill ride at night. Peace out. Thank you for watching again.